So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you really quickly how to get different notebooks into the Hub notebook system. So if you've gotten the 2-subject notebook to try out for free over at Life Edit Design, you'll have just 2 tabs here. Or if you've purchased either the 5, 10, or 12 version, you'll have a whole set of tabs here, and you're wondering now, okay, well, how do I get my notebooks into this system? So very simple. You're going to download the notebook like you normally would to your iPad. So here I'm going to insert the weight loss planner. So if you look over here at my Hub planner that I'm using, my Hub notebook, there isn't anything behind this cover. So this is the planner cover, right? Go backwards, here's the Hub. So there's nothing under the Hub. So this main cover has nothing. So I'm going to insert a planner right behind this Hub. So I'm going to insert the weight loss planner. So this is what you're going to do is you go to the thumbnail version, click select, select all, and copy, and you'll get a little note that it's copied. Say done and close. Now go to where you want to stick it. Again, go to the thumbnail version. Now here's a cover, and if you were to go down, I have lots in here. It's a very big one, big journal. Here's another cover. So you want to be behind the cover where you want to insert it. So we're going to insert it behind this front cover. So here's my front cover, and I want to insert, so you can see here's my planner, and those are all my planner tabs, and here's the cover. So I want to insert it right here in between the two. So I go here, add page after. So remember, I want to go after my cover. So I add page after, and then you have this option for paste pages. We're going to paste pages. So now you can see the weight loss planner has dropped in here. So let's close it and test it out. So back in my planner Hub. So it's dropped me into the weight loss planner. So back to the notes. So here's the cover for the weight loss planner. If I go back, again, remember I'm at the Hub, so the way to get to each of your things is to go backwards. So here's the cover. If I go to the planner, now I'm into my planner notebook, right? I go backwards, I hit cover, and here is the weight loss planner and all the sheets with the weight loss planner. So that gives you an idea how simple it is to insert your different journals, and that's what I did for each one of these. So I went into the thumbnails, and right where the journal was, so here's a cover. If I clicked here, add page after, and I could have pasted the pages. Obviously I don't want to paste the weight loss journal again, but you just paste pages, and that's how you will drop each of those in. So as you can see, when we go here, these have completely different tabs than the Hub notebook itself. So if I go back to the cover and into the weight loss journal, here again, the tabs are totally different than the tabs in my planner. So that gives you an idea of how you get to put these all together, which is so cool. You get to put together different planners all in one notebook. Now, you might be asking yourself, how do I deal with planners that are different layouts, say portrait versus vertical? So if you go over here to stickers, you'll see my sticker notebook, and I haven't really, this is just something I'm playing with. But if I go to the end, here is a download I've picked up from somebody else. So you can see that I can kind of go with the other layout, and I can always turn my notebook sideways, my iPad sideways, and work with it that way, and then go back to the portrait layout that I have. But as you can see, like when you buy a product from somebody else, there's no tabs. There's nowhere for me to go, so I have to go like this and thumb through. It's just so much easier. Again, I'm not done with this sticker notebook yet, so that's why it's in draft form. But you can see that I can move quickly through my own journals because I've laid them out to fit this Hub notebook system. So very, very cool. I hope that you enjoy this, and it's very simple to do. And again, if you ever want to take a journal out, you just reverse it. So if you went to the system, you could do select, and a very quick way to select is just to rub your finger across. So let's say that I don't really want this weight loss journal. I can do that, trash, done. So now if I go back, here's my main cover again, and now you see the weight loss journal is gone, and I'm back into my planner. So again, back to the cover, and now those pages are gone. So you can quickly go back and forth and insert and delete other planners, notebooks, journals, sticker books, whatever you want. And again, it'll depend on how many tabs you have over here, whether you've bought the 2, 5, 10, or 12 version notebook, so that you can see how many different things you can add. Have fun!